Hey there! Just a quick word. Like this video so we know you enjoy content like this. The more you like, the more great videos we get to put out, and the more we'll love you in return. Let's face it, cell phones today are expensive. Sometimes your customers will want to get new phones as their next upgrade, but a lot of them cost hundreds if not thousands of dollars. One of the best ways they can secure their new phone is by going into device financing. This basically lets them make monthly payments for a set amount of time till they completely pay off the phone. But how can device financing benefit you, the business owner? Let's find out. Here are 5 amazing ways device financing helps your cell phone repair shop sales. When you're sitting on inventory, it's a good idea to include device financing to get those units out the door. The way this helps you is that you get to move stock that you've bought much quicker, freeing space up in your inventory for other items to be stocked. More units out the door means more units that can come in, which naturally means more sales. People are out there who want to get all sorts of gadgets and tools at an affordable pricing plan. And if you introduce device financing, you'll find more people coming to your store for what they need. The secret here is to have lots of big-ticket items like the new iPhone or one of the Android phones that cost $1,000. The bigger the option, the more profit you'll be earning from financing. Selling devices brings in cash faster than repairing them, since a sale happens instantly. When a customer purchases their device from you through financing, you get paid the full amount by the financing company that you're working with, and they collect money over a period of time. This means that you'll basically be operating like any retail store and will have increased cash flow that you can use to support your business further. Buy new devices, get better tools for repairs, put one of those wobbly, flapping air guys they put outside. You've got the money, so why not? It's easy to think of device financing as having an interest component attached to it. That's how most loans work anyway. However, some third-party cell phone financing companies don't charge an extra fee for the sale, meaning they're completely interest-free. This is a great idea for you, since you get to keep all the profits and don't have to worry about any overheads when doing business. The financing company deals with customers directly, so you don't have to. With device financing in your list of services, you can also go the route of trade-ins at your repair store. While pitching a sale for a new cell phone, you can also trade in the same device. Since you're a repair store, all you have to do with the device you got is fix it and sell it to the next customer. If you have a repair shop management software like RepairDesk, your employees can quickly go through the trade-in items and sell the device whenever a customer walks in through your doors. If you'd like to know how all of this works, we've got a great article linked for you in the description. It features the difference between device financing and leasing, lists down some finance companies to get you started, and mentions what you need to enter into business with them. Be sure to check it out. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a thumbs up to show your approval. Subscribe to RepairDesk to help support us, and keep growing your business with us. Thanks again, and have a great one.